Hi boys and girls. So for your homework today, what you have to do is you have to solve using the arrow way. They did the first one for you. So just like you practice in Zearn today, so what you're going to do is I added these in there, so you just have to type your answer in the text box. So you have to do 56 plus 40 equals, type it in here, and then when you get the answer, put it up top because it's 56 plus 40 equals to get the answer. The next one is 56 plus 41 equals, so here's the arrow way. 56 plus 40 is what? And then this number plus 1 gives you what? And this final answer is your total up here. 56 plus 39 equals what? So the arrow way is 56 plus 40 is what? Then take this number and subtract 1 to get your final answer to get the answer up here. And then down here, you're going to have to put in there what you're adding or subtracting. So if it's 68 minus 40 equals what? You're going to do 68, type in minus 40, get the answer, and that's all you have to do for this one. There's more arrows and there shouldn't be. This one is 68 minus 41, so you do 68 minus 40, get the answer, subtract 1, get your answer. Don't forget to type in the final answer, and then down here. Okay? Have a good day. Bye.